Study finds that kids who snore are more likely to develop behavioral problems in their teenage years. Dr. Malika Marshall joins us now. Doctor, up to 20% of kids snore.
Yeah, 10 to 20% of kids snore, but many just snore from time to time, which can be perfectly healthy. But researchers at the University of Maryland tracked nearly 12,000 children from elementary school through their mid-teen years and found adolescents who snore frequently, in other words, 3 or more times a week, were more likely to exhibit behavior problems such as inattention in class, social problems with friends, breaking rules, and aggression, but didn't have any differences in memory, processing speed, reading, or language skills compared to peers who didn't snore. They say some kids who snore may be misdiagnosed with ADHD, actually, and should undergo a sleep study to make sure it's not disordered breathing at night that's actually causing the behavioral problems.
Interesting. So a little more work needs to be done on that to figure out exactly why it's happening.
Yes.